Hello everyone, and welcome to the first video that I'm going to be posting on this channel. My name's Griff, I'm 21, I'm from the UK, and I'm hoping to become a professional Forex trader within the next 6 months. The objectives of this channel is to document my journey. I don't really care how many people watch or how many subscribers I get. These videos are strictly for future me to watch and see how far I've come. I think that Forex has become really overcomplicated, and at its core it's really simple. It's simple but not easy. And I see all these influencers which are trying to squeeze every drop of money out of their audience because they can't trade themselves. Signals is the epitome of this. It's a perfect example. So I kind of want to simplify trading and show that anyone can do it. I believe that anyone can trade. I deposited £2,500 in my brokerage, which is only a small amount of money for trading, but it's more so that I can get used to risking my real money, getting acclimatized to those wins and losses, hopefully more wins than losses. I'm hoping over the next few months to trade with a small amount of money and become consistent in that time, and by January I want to pass the FTMO challenge. So 2022, that's going to be my main goal, passing the FTMO challenge. FTMO is a proprietary firm which give you $100,000 in exchange for demonstrating your trading skills, and you keep 70% of the profit that you make on that account. Up until now, I've only backtested. I've backtested for around 8 to 10 months, so I've become very confident in the strategy that I'm using, which is a strategy from the Guerrilla Trader community. And yeah, I'm hoping to implement that into my real trading and eventually pass the FTMO challenge. So that is the channel in a nutshell. You guys are welcome to stick around. I can't guarantee that I'll post anytime soon. Maybe I'll do some weekly recaps or something on the trades I've taken. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you stick around.